Listen, okay? We'll listen to what they're going to teach us.
I hear somebody. Hi everybody, how y'all doing?
Woohoo!
Isn't that fun singing? Well, I could do that for the rest of the hour, couldn't you?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm so glad to see every one of you because we're going to tell an amazing story today. It's about how everything was made by God. And I brought my camera to take pictures to record in history. And here today to help us with this week's story, can I do a drum roll? And go 3, 2, 1. Show those puppets! It's Michael and Angela and a new puppet, Grandpa.
Hey kids, how y'all doing? Hey Miss Laura.
How you guys doing?
Oh, we're awesome, man.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Are you guys ready to help me tell the story?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's go.
Oh, are we telling the story about how God created everything?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
We've talked about day 1 and day 2.
Yeah, we've talked about that. I hope there's some rest involved here because I'm tired already.
Kids, does anyone remember what God made on day 1?
I hope it was something wet. I'm kind of thirsty.
Oh, yeah, me too. I'm thirsty. What was it?
Was it something wet?
Soda? That's it. God made all the water everywhere. Can I get a whoop whoop for water?
Water's great to drink and swim in, and boy, am I tired.
We can't rest yet. We still got 5 more days of creation left.
Wow.
Does anyone remember what God made on day 2?
I know. On the second day, God created light.
And the sun, and the moon, and the stars.
And I bet he thought it was good. And boy, I'm really tired now.
You get tired awful quick.
Yeah, whatever. That's okay.
And God was just getting started. The next thing God made was amazing too. What do you think it was?
Recent
Blue.
candy bars. Candy bars.
What is it? Chocolate. Is that
We
chocolate?
can sure use a clue here.
Dirt.
Dirt.
Oh,
Yeah, dirt. Oh, that's right.
Dirt.
God said, let the dry ground appear.
Oh,
Well, let me do it in a different way. Let the dry ground appear.
Wow. I like that one.
Did I get one? That's better than the one I did earlier. Yeah, I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry.
And sure enough, all the land in the whole wide world showed dried up.
Whoa.
All the hills and mountains and the ground everywhere. Isn't that cool?
That is cool.
But at first, wasn't the land all bare and brown and
Yeah,
stuff?
it was all bare and brown. So since it was bare and brown, God had to make something. Who's talking out there? God had to make something else. Any idea what that might be?
Yes, say it aloud.
Any idea? What'd he do? Yeah. Hey, Michael, you got a clue for us, man?
Oh, yeah. I have a clue. I'll be right back.
Okay, go get a clue for us. Yeah, he's got trees. We already said in the song that, whoa. Hey, whoa, wow. What was that? Oh, that's a clue.
Very good.
Yeah, that's it. Flowers. God said, let there be plants and trees.
Yeah. God made every blade of grass.
God made what?
Every blade of grass.
Whoa.
How many would that be? About a million, billion, trillion, gazillion blades of grass.
Whoa.
Yep, that's exactly.
And God made every one of them. Yeah, he made all the plants and flowers. And hey, speaking of flowers, Miss Laura, I got a rose for you. Here, let me get that.
Oh.
Yeah, here we go. Oh, there it is on my hand. Yeah, grab that thing. Yeah. Oh. Everybody go. Oh.
Sweet. Hey, I got to take a few pictures. Y'all want to help me take some pictures?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
let's get these.
Can we get
Take
this
some
here?
time.
Yeah.
Okay, look out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheese. Are you taking it?
I'm taking it. Hang on. Here comes the flash.
Oh, there it was. Boy, that's on the flash.
Okay, y'all.
Cool. That was cool.
Excellent.
Can you pretend to use your cameras too, kids? Ready? Hold up your cameras to your eye and click.
Click. Click. Mashed potatoes.
Perfect. That was awesome.
Love photos.
I love potatoes.
trees are amazing. God made all of them.
Yeah, that's right. When God was done making all the plants and flowers and trees and grass, He looked at everything and said, "It's good." Can you do that with me?
Thumbs up.
Ready? Put your thumbs up and go, "It is good." Okay, God made everything and said, "It's good." Yeah, that's cool.
All the amazing plants and flowers and trees are made by God because God made everything. Who made everything?
God made everything.
Who made everything?
God made everything.
Who made everything?
God made everything.
God made everything. Hey guys, time to pray. Put your arms out like this. Fold them in front of you. Bow your head and say after me, "Dear God,
Dear God,
thank you
thank you
for making land,
for making land,
plants and trees,
plants and trees,
and everything.
and everything.
You are amazing, God.
You are amazing, God.
Thank you for our fathers.
Thank you for our fathers.
Happy Father's Day to you, God.
Happy Father's Day to you, God.
We love you so much.
We love you so much.
Amen.
Amen.
I can't wait to see how these pictures turn out.
Me too.
I'll see you
Yeah.
next time, friends. Can we get a round of applause for our